What is the value of the expression 6 minus 2 inside the parentheses, then plus 6 to the power of 2 and multiply by 8 minus 6 inside the parentheses? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression looks very simple, but only 5% of people can find the correct answer. Let's break it down and solve it together. And the first step to solve this question, most people start with the expression inside the first parenthesis and simplify this expression to 4 plus 6 squared multiplied by 8 minus 6 inside the parentheses. And the next step, they usually move on to the exponent and replace this expression with 4 plus 36 times 8 minus 6 inside the parentheses. Then they perform the addition between 4 and 36 and simplifying this expression to 40 times 8 minus 6 inside the parentheses. And the final step, they go for the expression inside the parentheses and replace it with 40 times 2, which ultimately gives them the answer 80. And without any hesitation, they quickly say that option C is the correct answer to this question. But I have to say, we were tricked and it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let's go through this question step by step and solve it together. To solve this problem, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. And this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. It means that we need to perform all the operations exactly in order from top to bottom according to the PEMDAS rule. Alright, as you can see in the image, and this expression, first we have parentheses, then an addition sign, followed by an exponent, then a multiplication, and finally another parenthesis. According to the PEMDAS rule, we should always start with the parentheses, since they have the highest priority among all the operations. So, instead of the original expression, we can write it as 4 plus 6 squared multiplied by 2. And the next step, it's time to handle the exponent, because after parentheses, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So, we'll write this expression as 4 plus 36 times 2. Finally, we need to perform the multiplication between 36 and 2, because multiplication has a higher priority than addition. And this expression simplifies to 4 plus 72, which ultimately gives us the answer 76. Therefore, option B is the correct answer to this question.